Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this next episode started. I'll hit you guys with some Hardees. You guys know what this shoe is. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 12 Retro Black Varsity Red and White, aka the Playoff 12s 2022 edition. Guys, come pick these up all day. We're going to do a shop drop on these as well, by Saturday or Sunday. Be able to get them for what I paid for them. I got a lot of these for retail. You know, guys don't most likely buy the 6s. Materials on this shoe are outstanding. I probably have the 12s. I meant to say it's not like 5s and 6s. The people kind of let these sit. And in my opinion, this is a good shoe. A lot of people tell me it's just a basic Jordy. I like at that time, I guess that's what Jordan needed to win his titles. It's a silhouette that Michael Jordan did most of his career amazements in. Like some of his biggest career moments were in this shoe. That's why everybody wants it. You're one of those guys that only wear Jordans that Jordan wore. This is definitely one of those shoes. I don't know. I'll be getting a pair for wearing, but I may get a pair for staring, maybe not. I may just wait for later. I'm not really a 12 guy, but depending on how many I sell, if I have a good sized pair in my area left, I may keep it. But a lot of big feet gang is buying this shoe. Besides, it's this. This is a 9.5, so if you're interested in this shoe as well, like I said, I have 7.5 to 14 available. Hit my sites, hit my eBay, DM me. Time you're watching this video, they might not be available anymore. Like I said, people are buying these and the UNC 6s at an incredible pace on StockX, GOAT, and eBay. I've been shipping them out all day. I can't even rest or sleep. Let you guys get a look at what the shoe's going to be like on your foot. Like I said, overall, the quality of this shoe is pretty good in my opinion. Don't want to keep touching the white areas. If you like black and white sneakers, this is the Jordan that everybody's been waiting for. This has been the cash money Jordan. Like I said, give you a look at what the shoe's going to look like on your feet. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you want to see next. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Remember to stay safe. Have a nice day. You knew I got them.
Everybody fucking jump!